Today we are going to review how to install the CPANL CFMK clip kit on a direct ceiling mounted CPANL luminaire. Inside your CPANL CFMK clip kit, you will find 4 clips, one for each corner of the CPANL and an instruction sheet. Let's get started. Please ensure you are wearing the proper safety equipment, including gloves, before beginning the installation. First, you will need to identify the bar hanger locations on the installed panel. The bar hangers are the connection points of the CFMK bracket to the CPANL fixture. Once you have identified the 2 locations on the front of the panel, repeat on the opposite side of the CPANL luminaire. Next, you will need to install 1 clip under each of the bar hangers you identified in the previous step. Hold the clip on the side with a 90-degree angle. Use your free hand to support the panel while you insert the clip, slant side first under the bar hanger. Press until you hear an audible click. Move to the next location. Support the panel with your free hand and install the second clip. Ensure you hear an audible click before you move to the next step. Next, move to the second side to complete the final 2 clip installations. Begin by ensuring you are supporting the panel from below and insert the clip until you hear the click. Install the final clip following the same process to complete the installation. For any questions, please call the dedicated CFMK Surface Mount Recall team at 855-307-2454.